I'm here at the Ibis in Paynton. Basically, this has been open for about a month now. Opened in January, might be just less than a month. Basically, it was built from the Singapore fragrance group, the same company that's actually built, or shall I say, that knocked down St Chad's in Blackpool, and also that owns Lundin as well. This is the first Ibis that's actually got a dry spa as well. So let's take a look at the room, shall we? So as I said, I've booked a double room, premium double room with sea view at the Ibis Styles in Paynton. So shall we have a look? As I said, this has been open since January. So yeah, we've got a brown mattress and a mattress topper, as you can see, and mattress cover. Only 2 pillows for the bed, which is quite soft, but doesn't matter to me because I use both pillows anyway. So, and then got a desk area with a bin, no bags though, which is unusual. Got a drawer, and that's your TV remote. Let's check the TV, shall we? Quite a big TV. So, yeah. And then we've got plug sockets there. Got a lamp. Okay. Lamp there. Chair. You know what I'm surprised at with the plug sockets though, seeing as it's a brand new building, like just about a month old, and there's no USB there. Now these ones have, and then you've got your lights. These ones turn around. So like spotlights, and then you've got USB there with your plug sockets, and then you've got a drawer there, nothing in it, and then this is your sea view. So yeah, you can see the beach, and then there's the Paynton Pier and Torquay there. So yeah, floor to ceiling. Carpet looks nice as well. Also, this bed's actually called a sweet bed apparently. So let's check what it's like underneath, shall we? Yeah, clean. So, and at the other side as well, we've got the same. And looks like an Ethernet or something down there as well. And then again, bedside table, nothing in the drawer. And then, oh, the same as Premier Inn, Swindon, town centre. Video that I put up not long ago that I stayed in. So yeah, but it is quite warm in here, and you can't open the windows either. So we got cups. Yeah, tea, coffee. Let's have a look at this kettle. That is clean. And then them are sticked as well. Oh, 4 milks, but you got 4 coffees and 2 teas, and only 2 sugars of each and 2 sweeteners. Another plug socket there, and we've got a spotlight there. And I've got another drawer here. I've got a cupboard here. Nothing in the cupboard. I think with this being Premier Room, they might have had a fridge there. Right, so this is the wardrobe area with hangers there, extra pillow, and then you can slide cupboard over. You've got your hairdryer there. It's quite dark here, I'm afraid. Got an ironing board, and your safe with your instructions, and another cubbyhole down there. I don't know what that is. That looks like a lock cupboard, but of course no key for it. So, and then you got your fire regulations. And let's have a look what's on here, shall we? Please come back later. Thanks, nice face. And please service my room. Thanks. Come hang out. Now that's a little bit different than the other ones in the advert. Ibis. And then you've got this lock. Let me just see how this works. Like that. So you just push it that so it stops. There you go. Similar to a keychain. And you've got your peephole there. And another plug socket there. And your lights and your key card. Right, let's have a look in the bathroom, shall we? Quite a small bathroom. So, bin there. No bags again. And if you like your towels replaced, leave them on the floor. So this is like a hook or what. And then you've got your towels. You've got your floor towel, I presume. No, that's your hand towel. Shaver's socket. Your mirror. LED mirror. And of course your sink. Another hand towel. Disposable bags there. Toilet roll. And floor towel for the shower. Then you've got rainfall shower. And one of your hand showers for reaching the extra bits. There's your hair, body and hand wash and conditioner, shampoo. And of course so yeah, it's quite okay, it's all clean. I haven't checked the toilet. Yeah, that's clean. So yeah, clean. So don't forget to like and subscribe. This is a spa area. And then I've got the gym area. Just give me a second. This is the gym area. Oh yeah, quite cool in here as well. So you've got your stepper. dumbbells, running machines, bike. Can't tell you what that one is called. Weights. Yeah. This is a maple bacon with Leicester cheese, loaded fries. I've just spoken to the manager regarding the spa in the Ibis here, because of course it wasn't open, and I went and inquired about prices and what they do. Apparently it won't be open until after Easter, they're looking at. Fingers crossed, but it could be a bit later. Basically that they're going to be doing like massages and nothing like steam room or anything like that, so it's basically a dry spa. So yeah, they're just no prices at the moment because they're still looking at what products to use as well. So I hope that's helpful for you, because there's no point in checking in here if you're after spa treatment, because at the moment they've nothing. So best off waiting till after Easter and then finding out, give them a ring to find out if it's open yet. So I hope that information is useful for you. This hotel is owned by the Fragrance Group, the Singapore company. You might know of St Chad's that got demolished in Blackpool. I did show a couple of shorts on it on my channel, and they own the Lindeen as well. Now they demolished St Chad's to basically because they're going to rebuild on top of that. And yeah, they're the ones that actually built this one, and apparently they have got another hotel that is happening in Turkey. I can't tell you the name of the hotel group or anything. All I know it's the building in Turkey. And yeah, so I hope that's useful information for you, because of course this hotel is the first Ibis Styles with a dry spa. Yes, it's not open yet, but it will be hopefully in a couple months. So I hope all that's useful for you as well. So as I said, if you do enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps me get out into the YouTube world.